Hello again. Welcome to tutorial 14. In this tutorial I'll be covering directory bookmarks. Now I already kind of covered directory bookmarks previously, and that was the install directory bookmark, which you can quickly access by pressing Ctrl Q and 0, and they'll take you to the install location of Extreme. Now you can set your own custom bookmarks on any particular folder that you use quite regularly by pressing the Ctrl K key and specifying a bookmark number, any number from 0 to 9. And I recommend not using 0, leaving that as the install directory. So if I press the number 1, I set the bookmark number 1 on that folder. So if I navigate away from that folder, I can then quickly jump back to that folder by pressing Ctrl Q and 1, and that will take me to that folder straight away. And likewise, I can set another bookmark on another folder by pressing Ctrl K to set the bookmark and another number this time, and I'll press 2. And if I want to see what bookmarks I've already allocated, I can press the Alt key and the equals key, and that will bring up the bookmark menu, and that shows all the bookmarks that I've set. And if I select one of them, it will just jump to that folder. Another thing I can do in the bookmark menu is I can press the insert key, and that will insert the current directory as a bookmark in that slot. So in this case, that's slot number 3. So if I press Ctrl Q and 3, that'll take me to that location. Oops. I can also delete any bookmarks I no longer need by just selecting that line and pressing the delete key. And the last bit of feature I'll show you about bookmarks is that in any input line you can paste the bookmark directly into it. So if I type the execute command and say I want to do a copy, and say I want to use a folder that I've marked in the bookmark, I just press Ctrl Q and specify the number of that bookmark, and they'll paste it directly into the input line. And likewise, if I can hit Ctrl Q and 1, they'll paste the other bookmark into that line. And so yeah, that's about it. Directory bookmarks.